2-2.
Hit sharply toward the middle. Base hit. Lagares is in. Here comes Quintanilla. It's a 2-run single for Eric Young Jr. and the Mets have tied it at 3. There's a big 2-out hit for the newest Met.
Well, you like this approach. Really just shortened up his stroke. Just tried to go back up the middle. He gets the job done. You know, you've been hearing a lot of talk. Cole Hamles pitching